All right, this is day 3 of my double sweet levain. So I made my first levain feeding, then I made my second levain feeding, which is this guy right here. Today I'm doing the final dough. I'm actually dividing this in half because I can't eat this much bread by myself. So I'll be weighing out, let's see here, 270 grams of my levain. I've already got all my other ingredients, my salt, my yeast, my whole wheat, my all-purpose, or excuse me, my bread flour, my water, and then here's my starter. You can kind of see the consistency of it. I need 275 grams, it's 89 grams. 171 grams. 248. When it comes to starter, I'm never spot on. It's not going to hurt it if you have an extra 30 or 40 or whatever. 304. This is extra, right? You can bake it. You can make flatbreads out of it. You can dehydrate it and have a starter made for you. I just don't like throwing it away. Give it to a friend, feed it, keep it going, create a whole wheat starter. You have options. So my bowl, I'm gonna dump my flour in. I'll just basically dump everything in minus my, I'm gonna add my nice warm water to my starter. Let this hang out for a minute. It's almost like a bigger because it's so thick. Okay. Making bread is easy. Making artisan breads, sourdough, is easy. Once you understand the levains, the pouliche levain or sourdough, and the biga, you have 3 different, based on different ratios of hydration. This is how you produce flavor. Oop, I almost got that shit on my camera. Yeast is a living organism. Eats food, farts out gas. Look at that, that's nice. I'll let that sit for about another 5 minutes. I'll dump it in here. I'll mix this by hand. I'll put a lid or just some plastic wrap on this. It'll proof for probably another 4 or 5 hours. Then I will scale it and then I will bake it, and I'll make a video on that too. So this whole process will be recorded so you guys know how to make good bread. Yeah. I just love starters. Love them. There's so many different things you can do with them, so many different flavor profiles that you can create. We haven't begun to implement spices or aromatics and herbs and things like that, or cheese or meat, right? This is the base, this is bread. What else can we do with it after we bake it? What can we put into it to make it better? This is how my brain works. Oh, that's nice. Precision, digital scales. That's how we do it. Happy Easter.